Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be showing you how I got Emma with the baby here, bringing in the wave with her. So here we go, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by UNice here. I got it from their Amazon store, and in the packaging I received these goodies that you can put yourself together. Hello. Here we have Emma. She is an 18-inch kinky curly 13x4 frontal wig with a density of 150, and the frontal top parting space is 4-inch and the side is less. She came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so just pre. Inside you have 3 wig combs and adjustable straps. I'm gonna be doing a different ball cap method. So if you're not a professional, this can be an easy run through. And what I did was I opened half of the stitch part of the stocking cap like this. Then I push my hair back using the Got2b glue gel. Then I take the stocking cap and put it in line with my hairline. Then I use the hairspray, tail comb, and the blow dryer to set it. After that, use the Got2b glue gel to seal the edge and use small amount. And that is it. You don't have to worry about cutting the stocking cap to your hairline shape. And I'm only going to be using the makeup foundation at the front of the stocking cap. Now look at that smooth transition of the stocking cap. Fit in the wig to make sure everything is in line before installing it. Cutting up some of the lace to see what I'm doing. Boy, almost every video I recreate my hairline, but I'm sorry, I cannot do the frontal down on the forehead too much. No, just a little, not much. Using the tweezers, need that realistic look. Using the hippie hair spray and the blow dryer, tail comb to press the lace into my skin. And this is how you act when you know your ears are like a shot. Ears should come right out. Getting rid of the extra lace that is not needed. And you don't know, you cut that in a zigzag motion. Using the razor comb to cut down the adult hair into baby and teenager stage. Using the mousse and a little tip of gel to mold the baby hair. Look at the finger to the wave, and don't get wave sick right now because she will be going extra with the baby here. setting the products until everything is completely dry. Then remove it. It's showing you the parting space and the scalp reaction. And can I say it's giving? And it's giving very much, you know. Get into it. Using the even tamer stick and the pressing comb at the front of the hairline so everything can swoop in one time. Using some oil, water with some conditioner. I only a damp power up, not gonna get her too wet to style. And there we have it. If you're interested in Emma, I will link all our information down below. And so far so good, UNice here. I'm not disappointed in any of the hit that I received. Like, everything is on point. And I hope you found this video helpful, and all the products that I use will be down below, even though it's not much. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.